Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to add your funds to buy something in your Nintendo Switch. For example, I'm just going to buy membership now. So choosing second profile. So I need to go to my account here. I need to go here. See here, I need to go tap on this. So I have $1, so I'm just gonna purchase this Nintendo Switch subscriptions here. So okay, fine. Here, right? I have gonna purchase for 12 months. Proceed to purchase. So I need to choose this. As of now, there is no, I am not able to redeem my points, so I need to redeem this. Click on this, redeem points. So redeem points 100, right? 1 equal to, so 100 equal to $1. So I'm just going to choose all this 100. If you want to use, you can just modify this by 50 or something. So go OK and click next. See, now $1 has been used for the purchase. So I'm just going to buy this now. So agree, add funds and purchase. That's it. The 12 months I am buying for 365 days memberships. I just paid $19. That's it. You can use this funds in this way. I mean, you can redeem your points to purchase something. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye. Also, I got the membership as well.